Hey guys, it's Rima from Sea Raider Boats. Come take a look at our 685 with all the additions. We'll start at the back where we've got dual ladder access that, when in its upright position, creates more room so you and all your mates will be able to go fishing with plenty of rod holders around. On the back we have a 250 horsepower 4-stroke Suzuki in a pearl white. Trim tabs down the bottom here. Up inside the boat we have a lockable bunk door with your toilet inside for privacy, fusion stereo, VHF radio, plenty of storage under the driver's seat and a slide out drawer for your chest fridge. We've got your LED lights for your deck that'll shine down and provide plenty of light there. Off the sides we've got 2 more light bars and as well off the front. Come around to the front and we have a 32 volt Minn Coda and your electric anchor winch as well. So come take a look and pop on over to searaider.com.au.